Hey there, welcome back to the channel Zim HD News. Today, we're going to be discussing the alarming state of corruption in Zimbabwe under the leadership of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. It's no secret that Zimbabwe has been plagued with corruption for many years, and unfortunately, Mnangagwa's government has failed to take decisive action against corrupt individuals. The recent case of corruption scandals being thrown under the carpet, while Timbu and 80 other citizens are thrown into prison, is a glaring example of the government's skewed priorities. Instead of holding those in power accountable for their actions, Mnangagwa's government has chosen to silence dissent and persecute innocent citizens. In fact, just last week, on Youth Day celebration, the government arrested dozens of citizens, further demonstrating their willingness to stifle opposition rather than address the real issues at hand. But perhaps the most alarming accusation against Mnangagwa is his alleged involvement in looting minerals in Zimbabwe. This is an incredibly serious charge that cannot be ignored. If true, it would not only reflect Mnangagwa's moral bankruptcy, but would also highlight the widespread corruption that has infected the highest levels of government. It is essential that Mnangagwa and his administration are held accountable for their actions. No one should be above the law, especially not those entrusted with leading a nation. The citizens of Zimbabwe deserve leaders who will work tirelessly to root out corruption and ensure that justice is served. The continued imprisonment and persecution of innocent citizens while the real criminals go unpunished is a grave injustice that cannot be ignored. We must stand in solidarity with the people of Zimbabwe and demand that Mnangagwa's government take immediate action to address corruption and hold the guilty parties accountable. Thank you for watching. Please share this video to spread awareness about the situation in Zimbabwe, and let's continue to advocate for justice and accountability.